Hi, I'm Elia. The High Coast Trail is a simple and versatile backpack. It comes in two sizes, 20 and 26 liters. It's made with a G1000 fabric. It has one main compartment and a front pocket, both zippered. It has an open side pocket and a removable rain cover. It has a weight of 600 grams. The G1000 is Fjällräven's own fabric made out of 65% polyester and 35% cotton. It was originally developed as a tent fabric, so it's made to be durable and rip resistant. The High Coast Trail has the G1000 Eco, which means it's made out of recycled polyester and ecological cotton. The fabric is treated with wax to better resist water. It has an adjustable chest and waist strap. The chest strap can also be adjusted in height with a sliding system. The carrying system is light and stable with a comfortable padded shoulder straps and back panel. The padding is covered in mesh, which helps dissipate heat. The shoulder straps is easily adjustable in height or snugness by pulling at the straps. Both the chest and waist straps can be detached. The bag has one main compartment, one front pocket and an open side pocket. The main compartment has an asymmetrical dual zipper, meaning it goes down almost all the way on one side and about 2/3 on the opposite side where the side pocket is. This is to facilitate access when you're sliding it forward still on your shoulder, trying to get something from the bag. There is a back plate which gives it sturdiness. Inside that compartment there is a sleeve suited for documents, hydration bladder or a laptop. If you're using a hydration bladder, there is a conduit for the tube, and on the shoulder strap it can be held in place. If you're using it for a computer, you should know that there is no false bottom or padding protecting it if you set it down too hard. On the inside of the front pocket, there is a small zippered compartment with a rain cover which is removable. The front pocket has a zipper that is shaped like a half moon, going down about 1/3 of the way. The pocket, however, goes down all the way, so I wouldn't suggest using it as a quick access compartment since you'll be fiddling around to find those small things at the bottom of the bag. Towards the back of the front pocket, there is another zippered compartment. This zipper is horizontal on one, and it goes also down all the way. So my opinion, I really like the overall look of the bag. I would have liked a separate laptop compartment with a false bottom or some kind of padding. The asymmetrical zipper is an interesting idea, and the side pocket wouldn't be possible without it. But I'm still feeling unsure about it, and I think I would have preferred a clamshell design with a zipper going all the way down. That's it for now. If you want more like this, subscribe. Talk to you in the next one.